guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you paper bag making. So let's start. I am taking a 20 cm long pink sheet and sticking its both sides with glue. Now I am folding both sides one by one and then doing the same on the another side. Now I am folding the lower portion of this bag. For decoration, I am sticking these cute eyes on the bag. This part is quite tricky, so do as follows. Securing the bag with pen and gonna adjust it. For decoration, I am using glitter paper. You can avoid it. Now the bag is ready. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.